Welcome to the Premier Hotel in Cape Town, South Africa. This is our room, room 301. Come on in. The hotel room is fairly standard for what you'd expect at most hotels. We have a small seating area, as well as a fridge and a closet area with a small tea and coffee station. The room is a corner room that has sea views, so you have windows on both sides, with this side that you're looking at facing out to the ocean. Other than that, there's a small workstation, as well as a king-size bed, which is what this room is equipped with. The room does also have an ensuite bathroom with an open concept shower and everything that you would expect in a standard hotel room. And this is our room at the Premier Hotel in Cape Town, South Africa. Thank you for watching.